Hello everyone, Mr. H again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you'll be learning about the Triangle Sum Theorem. Triangle Sum Theorem states that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. If you notice the diagram below, so there's a triangle here and the interior angles are labeled angle A, B, and C. And the concept of triangle sum theorem, it states that if you add all the interior angles of one triangle, the sum will be 180 degrees. To further understand this theorem, let's answer a couple of examples. Let's take a look at example 1. Find the measure of the third angle. If you look at the given triangle, so two angles of the triangle are actually given, and the third angle is labeled x. So by applying the concept of the triangle sum theorem, what we need to do is we need to write our initial equation based on the theorem itself. So applying the concept of the triangle sum theorem, our equation will be x plus 82 plus 45 is equal to 180. So adding all the interior angles will be equivalent to 180 degrees. And we need to find the angle, the measure of the angle that's labeled x by writing this initial equation. And from this equation, we can simplify. So it's going to be x equals 180. 82 will be moved to the right hand side. So from positive 82, it will become negative 82. Same goes for 45. It will become minus 45. And then from here, we can simplify. X will be equal to 180 minus 82 minus 45. And it's going to be equal to 53. Therefore, the measure of the third angle is 53 degrees. Now, if you want to check if the answer that you got is right, you just simply add all the three measures of the interior angles. So you're going to have 82 plus 45 plus 53 and must be equal to 180. Next example. All right, so for example number 2, we need to find the measure of angle E. Now, comparing this example with the previous one, you can see that there are interior angles where each angle is represented by an expression, algebraic expression. So you don't have to worry about this because these algebraic expression will be used to write the initial equation based on the concept of triangle sum theorem, and we carry on simplifying until we find a value of x. And to begin with that, our initial equation will be 65 plus 15x minus 4 plus 4x plus 5 equals 180. So this initial equation is actually based on the concept of triangle sum theorem, where if you add all the interior angles, it will be equal to 180 degrees. So after writing the initial equation, what you need to do is to simplify, especially this left-hand side of the equation where you can combine, like terms. So let's start by combining the x terms. So we have 15x and 4x. So if we put them together, it's going to give us 19x. And you have the constant terms, which we can actually just put them all to the right-hand side of the equation, along with the 180. So positive 65, if we move to the right-hand side, that's going to become negative 65. Minus 4, if we move to the right-hand side, that's going to become positive 4. Another constant term is positive 5. If you move positive 5 to the right-hand side of the equation, it's going to become negative 5. And so from here, we can just simplify the right-hand side. So we have 180 minus 65 plus 4 minus 5. And that's going to be 114. And next is dividing both sides by 19. And we can say that the value of x is 114 divided by 19 is equal to 6. So that is the value of x that we were looking for. However, we don't stop here because the question was find the measure of angle E. So what we need to do is after finding the value of x, which is 6, we need to plug it in to the x in this expression. So we know that angle E is equal to 4x plus 5 degrees. Since we were able to find the value of x, we just simply plug it in to this. So you have 4 times 6 plus 5 degrees. And 4 times 6 is 24 plus 5 is 29. Therefore, the measure of angle E is 29 degrees. Now for this same triangle, if you want to find the measure of angle D, so you can either plug in the value of x, which is 6, to this expression, and you'll be able to find the measure of angle D. Or the other way is, since we were able to find the measure of angle E, then we can just simply subtract 29 degrees and 65 degrees from 180, and we'll be able to find the measure of angle D. And that's all for the Triangle Sum Theorem. I hope you learned something. So please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.